Hey everybody, let's go ahead and use Adobe Scan. So I'm going to go to my apps and I'm going to go find Adobe Scan. There it is. All right, now Adobe Scan allows me to take any sort of document and I just take a picture of it. Now, ideally, if I'm taking a regular picture, I'm going to be like right over top of it, but sometimes that creates shadows. So Adobe Scan, the nice thing is you can just, as long as you can get it in frame, even if it's at an angle, it's okay. And you just hit the picture. Now, once you're done, if I had more, by the way, I could just keep going and I could say, hey, here's another page of this that I need to do. So I'll just take another picture here. Here we go. And even if I'm off center, it's okay. So there, I have two documents that I have put in. So now I'm going to go down to the documents, and you'll notice it's squared it up for me already. But just in case, if I need to adjust it, I can go to the crop and then move it around until my corner is exactly right and everything looks exactly good, and hit OK. Now, I can also rename this fella. I can say, in this case, test scan. So in my case, practice algebra submit. And maybe page 1. Okay, there you go. So that's it. And I can go to page 2 and I can do exactly the same thing. If it's not right, I can adjust it until it is. All right. And it works out really well there. Now see, that one I got a little far off. So let's go ahead and crop that again. Crop that in a little bit. Crop that one down a little bit. All right, I think we're good there. All right, and it takes the whole page. Now, when I'm done with it, I simply save as PDF. And so it is totally saving my PDF. Now, I can share it in a number of ways. Easiest way to share it is share link. And now I can copy that link and I can go over to Google Classroom and put it right in my Google Classroom, right underneath my assignments that I'm going to need it for. Okay? Now, that is using Adobe Scan. There's also the option that if you'd rather, you can copy it down to your device and put it on your phone or your Chromebook, whatever it is, or you can copy it to Google Drive and put it on Google Drive just like everything else. So I'm going to save it to Google Drive. And now if I'm more comfortable going and getting the link from there, I can go get the link from Google Drive. I can name it, modify it, etc., or I can even save it as a picture. So if I don't want a PDF, which is a Adobe format, I can save it as a picture. And it'll save it as a JPEG that I can use later. And if I've already taken a bunch of pictures, I can just go find the one I need and then go put that in wherever I need it. Okay, guys, that's it.